Have you ever wanted a single financial app that lets you do it all? Banking, investing, cashback rewards, all in one place. If you've been searching for a digital financial platform like that, you've probably come across Vivid Money. But if you're not in a specific part of the world, you might be wondering, can I even use this? That's the big question we're answering today. What countries are eligible for Vivid Money? Because while the promise of a sleek, all-in-one financial app is exciting, it's only useful if you can actually sign up. And the answer isn't as simple as a single country list, because Vivid has been expanding its reach. At its core, Vivid Money is focused on the European market. The key to its availability lies in a little acronym you've probably heard before, the EEA. That's the European Economic Area. This group of countries, which includes all the EU member states plus Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway, is where Vivid has set its sights. So, if you're a resident of any EEA country, you're in the right zone. But let's get more specific. Vivid Money didn't just launch everywhere at once. It started with a few key countries and has been steadily growing its footprint. Its initial launch in 2020 was in Germany, and it quickly expanded to France, Spain, and Italy. These were the core markets where the app first made its mark. Then, something big happened in 2024. Vivid announced a major expansion that made its services available in 23 additional EU countries. This was a game changer, essentially bringing the app to most of the European Union. So, if you're in a country like Austria, Belgium, Poland, or Sweden, you're likely eligible. It's not just about being a resident, though. To open a personal account, you also need to have an accepted form of identification. This typically means an ID card or passport from an EEA country. So, even if you live in one of the supported countries, you'll need to make sure your ID documents are in order. Now, what about the business side of things? Vivid also offers accounts for businesses and freelancers, but the eligibility criteria are a bit more specific. For a Vivid business account, the company's legal entity must be registered in the EEA or Switzerland. All of the company's directors also need to have a residence in an EEA country or Switzerland. So, the scope is a little broader on the business side, but still very much focused on that Central European region. It's important to keep in mind that while you can open an account in these countries, some features might have different availability. For example, while you can make international transfers to a wider range of countries, the full suite of banking and investment tools is tied to being a resident of an eligible country. So, to recap, if you're looking to open a personal account with Vivid Money, you need to be a resident of an EEA country with valid identification from that region. The company has a strong presence in its initial launch markets, Germany, France, Spain, and Italy, and has since expanded to most of the EU. If you're running a business, the eligibility extends to companies registered in the EEA or Switzerland. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.